The Earl Yestingsmeier Golf Center will have a huge impact on the athletic department, on the men's and women's golf programs. The EYGC is what we kind of refer to it as. It's a facility that we've never had before, and it's going to provide some tremendous opportunities to our student athletes.
The EYGC here at Ball State, it's unbelievable. It gives us a good opportunity to really get better in the off season when it's 0 degrees outside.
In the winter, the short game kind of goes first as a golfer. So being able to work on your short game all winter and never really lose the touch and feel that you gain all summer, that would be a huge advantage to come out in the spring and act like nothing ever happened in the winter. No break really.
We get state-of-the-art facilities like the putting green we have, having a couple TrackMans to get some numbers down. It's a great impact and gives us a chance to really get better in the off season.
It's going to help tremendously. It's going to be great in bringing more athletes here. They're going to come, they're going to see the facility, they're going to love it, they're going to love Ball State. I know just being a freshman, I was nervous coming in, but being here, I love it, and being in the facilities even better. So I know so many more athletes and golfers in particular are going to want to be here to practice here.